Hey guys, I just got my new sled. It's a 1998 Arctic Cat Z440. It's a fan-cooled motor. It has AWS-5 suspension and Ride FX shocks all around. It's got the fast track long travel suspension as well as the ETT or extra travel tunnel. I think that's a torque sensing link. I'm not 100% sure. It looks like the torque sensing link, but from what I can gather, I don't know if it was on this particular model for 1998. The only I got it for $1,100. Everything works on it. The guy I got it from did the sliders and idler bearings last year. Everything works on it except for the tacho, or the speedo, sorry. Other than that, everything works on it. I'll get you a quick peek of the hood here. It's actually pretty nice in here. Red spring on the clutch, yellow spring on the secondary clutch. Dual Mikuni VM30 for carburetors. Don't know if that means anything to any of you guys. Single exhaust, nothing too major. Willwood brakes, oil injection, and a pretty decent toolbox. It came with the manuals. The guy didn't even know he had them, so I found that kind of interesting. Anyway, we'll start her up. We'll spin the track around a little bit and go from there. It doesn't have reverse. It was an option, I think. It doesn't have electric start either, but you could get it. You could easily get electric start and reverse for this particular model. What it does have, though, hand and thumb warmers, high-low beams, all the fun toys. Well, comfort toys, I guess. And it starts second pull, too. It's actually pretty freaking sweet. So just let me hold the camera down here. I'll start this thing up, and then I'll bring you guys back into color. Normally start second pull. High beams, low beams, hand thumb warmers. I got the handlebar heaters on right now. And it really heats up when it heats up. The grips are starting to heat up a little bit. It's fan cooled, and it's got the air coming out from here, and it's got forced cool air coming in through here. It's actually a pretty sweet setup. I'll get her warmed up, and then I'll go from there. It's got 11, or it has that on the odometer. Anyway, that's my 1998 Arctic Cat Z440, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.